Hey traders, Mike Katz here, 7 Points Capital, coming to you on Wednesday. And today I traded from home. Had a few things to take care of. I didn't do a whole lot, but red day, and I'll go over why. Basically, we had the SPYs really strong again, holding up. We can see that yesterday was a topping tail with doji and volume. Today was Fed day with not a whole lot of range, but again, we were off the lows and seem to be holding up. We'll see what the next few days bring. It is due for some sort of a pullback, but it's kind of hanging out up here near all-time highs. So I kind of struggled today. I had a couple of things that worked, a couple that didn't. In the last few days, I keep struggling. I think it has to do with two things. One is I've been pushing myself to get bigger and trade out of my comfort zone, and that could be weighing on me a little bit. And the other thing is I'm kind of focused a little too much on the short side, and I haven't been doing as well. And so the plan is going to be to be a little bit more aware of what's going on in the market instead of just constantly being short everything, which is very easy to do. But I think that's two things that I can improve on. So let's go over what I did today. We had the Qs. I've been struggling with the Qs. Yesterday, I did catch a nice move to the downside, but overall, I've been struggling because they've just been so strong. And you can see my execution chart here on the Qs. I was looking for fade back to the downside. I stopped out here when we went to highs. And then I tried it again, stop out, tried it again, added when it worked, and then stop out again. So 0 for 3, shorting the Qs today. And I think I can do a lot better job at avoiding shorting sideways action, shorting upside action. Just wait to see some confirmed downtrend before I engage on the short side in market-related stocks like Qs and the market as a whole and some big cap names. Another one that I struggled in was Facebook. Just one trade. To me, it looked like, this is weak. There was a seller yesterday. I didn't do well in this one yesterday either. Facebook. Yesterday also I didn't do too well, but I had some size on, and on the close I was able to capture the move to the downside, pair some of the losses, but was still reading it yesterday. And today also, I saw the seller that was there yesterday. It was kind of weighing on the stock, and I was waiting for the right spot. And here it looked like it was already backside, lower low, lower high, shorting a pop to resistance versus these highs here. And then just all day, a lot of sideways, and then took off to the upside, and I got stopped out. Went a lot higher, a dollar or so, and then came back. But regardless, I got stopped out. So 0 for 1 on Facebook on the short side. And what else was I in today? USEG, it was just a small cap name that pops up. Let's see, this one doesn't hold gains very well. Every time it goes up, it sells off on the daily. So today I had that on the brain where I was looking to get involved on the short side, and I started trading at 110, covered on the dip to $1, covered half, reshorted at 110. I was really hoping for a push to 120 for a better entry, but it never came. So I got bigger at 110, and then just covered on the wash down here, below $1. At this point, it gave up most of the gap. But this was a green name for me. Did pretty well within it, but the thing is right now you're not seeing a lot of low cap, small cap names, low float names really pushing up in the morning, and so there's not a lot of opportunity there. But I think maybe as earnings starts to wind down, we'll get more of these plays where you're going to have more professional eyes looking at these low float stocks, small cap names. I think that's going to bring some opportunity. So a couple of red days in a row. Still having a good month, but gave back a decent chunk of it, and I think I could have done a lot better. So my takeaways are for myself for the next couple of days, I'm gonna back off on pushing size and pushing to new limits, and I'm gonna take a step back, try to find some footing, get a few green days, and then see if there's opportunity to size up again. I'll be cutting my risk down next few days. And the other thing I'll be focusing on is trying to avoid just being very persistently on the short side as market's so strong, as everything's going up, or sideways grind, and not really getting the pullbacks I'm looking for. I just need to be more aware of what the market wants to do as opposed to constantly being on the short side. And that's it. I think that's pretty much it. I wouldn't really add anything else. My goal right now is going to be to just preserve the month and see if I can just get a few green days on smaller size, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. I constantly try to push myself to size up out of my comfort zone, because when I do that, I'm able to trade bigger, because even when I take a step back, I'm still trading a lot bigger than I was, previously. So that's kind of the dance that I do. I'll go a couple of steps forward, push my comfort zone, and then before you know it, my previous comfort zone, I'm very comfortable at. And whatever, seemed big to me before, now I'm pretty comfortable at. So that's just the dance that I do. But right now, I'm going to take a couple steps back and get a few green days, hopefully. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Mike Katz, 7 Points Capital, with today's Trader Takeaway.